In this episode, we respectfully present the fleet of Kantanka vehicles to Dr. Alhaji Mahamudu Bawumia, former Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, economist, digital transformation advocate, and statesman. This national message is directed to viewers in Ghana, the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, Australia, Europe, and Africans across the world who believe in African innovation, industrialization, and self-reliance. Before we proceed, we kindly ask you to subscribe, like this video, which is very important for the algorithm, kindly comment and share so this message reaches leaders who shape Ghana's future. Dr. Bawumia, throughout your public life, you have championed digitalization, efficiency, and Ghana beyond aid. Today, we present Kantanka as a practical expression of those ideals: manufacturing, skills transfer, jobs, and national pride. We begin with the Cantanka K71 Pro, a compact modern SUV designed for efficiency, safety, and daily excellence. Cantanka K71 Pro comes with a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine, and when we talk about a turbocharge, we mean it forces more air into the engine, allowing it to produce more power with less fuel. This means strong acceleration, better fuel economy, and lower emissions. K71 Pro comes with a CVT transmission that provides smooth, uninterrupted power, reducing fuel use and improving comfort. It also meets strict international environmental requirements, positioning the K71 Pro for global markets. K71 Pro also comes with several advanced features, including ABS, EBD, ESP, traction control, hill hold control, and a reverse camera. These features are also found in global brands. Dr. Bawumia, the K71 Pro is ideal for rewarding hard-working public servants, corporate and institutional fleets, demonstrating that Ghana can reward productivity with Ghanaian products. Supporting such a vehicle strengthens local demand and industrial confidence. Next is the Cantanka Onantefo, a luxury performance SUV designed for leadership. Onantefo comes with a 2.0 TGDI turbo engine. It produces high torque, around 380 Newton meters of torque, which pulls power and is essential for smooth overtaking and confident performance. It comes with 8-speed automatic transmission, which ensures optimal power delivery at both low and high speeds. It has a maximum speed of 210 km per hour, demonstrating engineering stability and highway confidence. Onantefo also comes with ultra-high strength cage body, which is built with reinforced steel, including boron steel pillars to absorb impact and protect occupants. Speaking of its interior, it comes with a luxury interior and panoramic sunroof, which is prestigious and has great presence. Dr. Bawumia, the Onantefo is suitable for 1. State leadership duties, 2. Diplomatic and international engagement, 3. Presenting made in Ghana excellence on the world stage. And nation's leaders using local innovation sends powerful signal of confidence. Now, let's come to the Kantanka Omama, which represents the backbone of national productivity. Omama comes with a 2.5-liter turbo diesel engine, and this diesel engine delivers high torque at low speeds, ideal for hauling, patrols, and long-distance work. It has fuel efficiency of about 8.1 liters per 100 kilometers, reducing operational costs for institutions and businesses. Kantanka Omama also comes with a 4x2 and 4x4 compatibility, allowing seamless movement from urban routes to rural terrain. It also comes with other features which includes electronic stability control, traction control, hill start assist, and also prevents skidding, loss of control, and rollback on slopes. Omama pickup truck comes with heavy-duty suspension and disc brakes. It is built for durability under constant use. Let's talk about its national impact. Omama is ideal for security services, infrastructure projects, and also agriculture and logistics. Omama, this is where a developing nation requires strong, reliable, and work vehicles. Now, the Cantanka Obrempong is a commanding pickup engineered for authority and endurance. It comes with a 2.3-liter intelligent turbo diesel engine, 8-speed automatic transmission, rear differential lock, forces both rear wheels to rotate together, improving traction on sand, mud, or rocky terrain. It also comes with a high ground clearance of 230 mm, prevents underbody damage on rough roads, level 2 driver assistance, including lane warnings and collision alerts. Obrempong pickup truck, just like K71 Pro, Onantefo, and Omama, has a 360-degree panoramic imaging. Obrempong is important for senior officials, field commanders, long distance and rough terrain operations. It projects authority, safety, and national capability. Finally, the Kantanka Boafo, an agricultural utility dumping truck. Its key specs include 350cc water-cooled engine, 4-wheel drive with shaft. It also has a load capacity of 1,500 kg, hydraulic damping system, climbing ability of up to 35 degrees. Dr. Bawumia, the Waffle directly supports farmers, market women, rural entrepreneurs, youth employment schemes, and many industries. Supporting such innovation strengthens food security and rural economies. Dr. Alhaji Mahamudu Bawumia, former Vice President of the Republic of Ghana and currently contesting for the new Patriotic Party's presidential primaries. Supporting Cantanka is not partisan, it is patriotic. It is one thing that Cantanka Automobile would like you to note. It aligns perfectly with Ghana Beyond Aid, digital and industrial transformation, job creation and skills development. Cantanka is more than vehicles. It is belief in Ghanaian capacity. We respectfully call on you to publicly support Cantanka, encourage institutional adoption, and also help position Ghana as Africa's automotive hub. Cantanka, to reach us, call or WhatsApp us on 0242037429, or you can also hit my personal business line on 054-746-2581. To our viewers worldwide, please subscribe, like for the algorithm to push these videos, and also comment and share this message with everyone. This is not just any car, it's our car. Cantanka to the world. Bye.